Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix the error 0x0000042b on Windows 11 in no time. So the first solution that you should always take in consideration is to restart the related services. To do this, press the Windows button, then simply type services and then select services as an application from the search results. Now in here, scroll way down until you locate the game services, then right click on it and select properties. And now in here, make sure that the startup type is set to automatic. Now click on apply and OK to save the changes, and then you can restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. But you can also repeat the same steps for IP helper, Xbox Live Auth Manager, Xbox Live Game Save, and Xbox Live Networking Service. You will find the list right here, so make sure to check it out and do the same in the services window. Then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to re-register the DLL file. To do this, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then run command prompt as an administrator. And now in here, in the command prompt window, make sure to copy-paste the following command that I posted in the description below. Now just press on enter, and after the process is finished, close the command prompt window, restart your computer and check if the problem still persists. Next, you can also run DISM and SFC scans. To do so, press the Windows button, type in cmd, then once again run it as an administrator. And now in here, make sure to copy-paste the following commands from the description below and press enter after each command. Note that the scans can take a bit of time, so don't lose patience. Afterwards, just restart your computer and then you can check if the problem still persists. Moving on, another useful solution is to reset the Xbox app. To do this, press the Windows button, head over to Settings, now click on Apps on the left pane, and then on the right side, click on Installed Apps. Now in here in the Search Apps box, type in Xbox and make sure to locate the Xbox app, click on the three dots next to it and select Advanced Options. Now in here, just scroll way down until you find the Reset section, and you can start by clicking on the Repair button. In this case, the app's data won't be affected at all. But if this app still isn't working right, just reset it. In this case, the app's data will be deleted and everything will return to the default state. Then you can check if the problem still persists. And lastly, another useful solution is to reinstall the Gaming Services app. Now to do this, right-click the Windows button, then select Terminal as an administrator. Now in here, what you have to do is copy-paste the following commands that I posted in the description below, but press enter after each command. Afterwards, you can just close this window, then open up the Store app. So type in Store once you press the Windows button and select the app from the search results. Now in here, simply click on the search box and type in Gaming Services, and you will see that the Gaming Services app will show up in here, and you can just click on the Get button. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.